Hey friends, this is Cypher here, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As we have already seen that Bitcoin has broken out this resistance of the down channel, and right now it is again testing this support of $20,800. And in today's video, I also want to discuss this Bitcoin log growth curves once more, and we will analyze why this drop of Bitcoin, this crash, is worse than ever. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this hourly time frame chart. And here we have already seen that Bitcoin has broken out this resistance of the channel, and as I told you before this breakout, that if Bitcoin breaks out this channel, then there will be a very high probability that we may see a powerful attempt by Bitcoin to break out this resistance of $23,000. But you can see it is again rejected by this resistance of $23,000 exactly from there. And recently it has been breaking as a support, as a resistance here, and now it is again breaking as a resistance. So we are testing the support of $20,800, and we are also retesting the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Therefore, the probability is still high that after this retest, Bitcoin may start another rally to make another attempt to break out this next resistance. Now, if we take a look at the monthly time frame, then in one of my video, I told you that. And I showed you a complete record, and I'm going to show you again that whenever Bitcoin hits on the monthly time frame, whenever Bitcoin hits the bottom of this Bitcoin log growth curve, then BTC never comes back to that low that Bitcoin sets in that specific month in which it has tested the support. Like, for example, let me just start it from this from the starting here from May 2012. We have tested the support here, and you can see we never come back there. And once again, we tested the support here in January 2013. We never come back to this low, and we tested the support here. We tested the support here as well, and you can see here we had the low of this monthly candlestick was $198, and here you can see the next candlestick that also tested the bottom that set the low of $223, and we never come back to these two lows. And even this candlestick has tested, but we never come back to this low. And we can see we tested this candlestick here as well, but we never came back to this low. And again, it happened here as well. And here in the month of March 2020, we set the low here. That was $3,850. We never came back to this low. I'm just showing you quickly, and you can also check yourself as well. You can just place this Bitcoin low growth curve on your TradingView chart, and you can choose the time frame monthly, and it will show you the complete record. And by the way, you need to set your chart setting from here logarithmic, and it will show you the accurate data. And right now we can see in the previous month we tested this bottom here after the month of October 2020. Last time we tested it here. And after this test, first time we were testing in the month of May 2022 in the previous month. And right now you can see it is leaving this Bitcoin low growth curve. We are completely outside of this Bitcoin low growth curve, and we are setting a new low. So right now you can see it never happened in the history of Bitcoin, and each and every candlestick will show you this is for the first time it is happening. And the problem over here can be because you can see, let me show you on the weekly time frame, then we can see we spent almost 6 weeks out of this Bitcoin log growth curve in the month of March when we broke it down here. Then this is the second, this is the third, fourth, sixth, seventh, and eighth candlesticks were out of this Bitcoin log growth curve. And you can see after a lot of struggle, it re-entered in this log growth curve once again. It was breaking at a resistance. So once it was broken down, it turned into a very strong resistance. And you can see from May 2020, even though the price line was moving gradually to the upside, but from May 2020 to here to October 2020, it has been working as a very strong resistance. Same as like that, if it will move up, like you can see, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6th week we are out of this Bitcoin low growth curve on the weekly time frame chart. Now if it will be turned back, and this time it can work as a resistance. Now for example, if it will hit here, it will be approximately $40,000 that can work as a very strong resistance once again. So if Bitcoin starts any reversal, a powerful bullish reversal move from here, and right now we are moving around at $20,000, from here up to $40,000, then after $40,000, Bitcoin will need to do a lot of struggle to re-enter in this curve and start a long-term bull run. And once it will be able to break it out, then we can expect that now Bitcoin can set a new all-time high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.